Let's study 10th standard ICSE math exercise 15D. Question 1 is very easy. You may cancel it. Question 2. Triangle LMN has been reduced by a scale factor of 0.8. Calculate M dash N dash if Mn is 8. So here the scale factor, that is K, is 0.8. It's like zooming in or zooming out. If this triangle has been reduced, it means the lengths of the sides of this triangle will be smaller than the lengths of the sides of this triangle, but they will be similar in shape and size. The shape. So the formula always goes that the smaller length is equal to K times the bigger length. Now notice that here a reduction took place, not an enlargement. So these sides will be smaller and these sides will be larger. And since K's value is less than 1, we always write smaller side is equal to K times larger side. In Roman number 1, Mn value has been given. So M dash N dash will be smaller than that. That's 6.4 centimeters. Don't forget the units. Second, again the smaller side is equal to K times, K is a scale factor, into the larger side. Now this time they have given the length of L dash M dash. So we get the larger length, LM is 6.75 centimeters. Next, the fourth sum. A model of an aeroplane is made to a scale of 1:400. So once again, the scale factor is less than 1. Calculate the length of the model. And in second case, a completely independent case, independent to Roman number 1, length of the aeroplane. So K is given. Length of the model is K times length of aeroplane. So again, remember that if K's value is less than 1, it's always smaller length is equal to K times the larger length. So length of the aeroplane is given, 40 meters. So we get the length of the model as 0.1 meters. And it's convenient in the real world to talk about the length of models in centimeters, so convert it. In the second case, the length of the model was given and length of aeroplane has to be found out, which will obviously be much larger than the model. So length of the aeroplane comes out to be 64 meters. Don't forget to convert centimeters to meters, because in the real world, the length of aeroplane is given in terms of meters. And now the seventh sum. Again, the scale factor is given 1/300. The first case talks about length, second case talks about area, and third case talks about volume. Now in this sum, length of the model is given, so we can find the length of the ship, which would be larger than the length of the model. Notice how this model was in terms of meter, which is 200 centimeters. Now, area of deck is K squared into area of deck of ship. So when it comes to one-dimensional quantities like length, breadth, height, width, we just use K. But for two-dimensional quantities like area, we have to use K squared, because area has the unit of meter squared or centimeter squared. So that's a big hint when to use K squared. And remember, smaller area is equal to K squared into larger area, because K value is less than 1. So on solving this, I get the answer as 2 meter squared. Now Roman number 3, volume of the model is equal to K cube into volume of the ship. So volume is a three-dimensional quantity because it has length, breadth, height. Its unit is meter cube, centimeter cube, hence K cube. So volume of the model was given. If you cross multiply, you get the volume of the ship, 175.5 into 10⁶ meter cube.
Hi students, this is AJ sir. If you like this video, press the like button. If you would like to enroll for my online test series or online lectures, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.